So given that a lot of companies are now willing to invest in this kind of technology and push the diagnostics envelope, the predictive maintenance, the planning, the structure of their business and how they want their valves to be maintained and their plant to be looked after, a lot of the work that we're now doing is to go out to site, and we might look at diagnostically test, say, 15 valves and only a couple need rework. A few might need serious rework, or they might have corrosion issues and need to go back to the workshop to be shot blasted, painted, treated, replaced, whatever that element is. But the remainder of those valves won't need to be removed from line. There's a big cost involved for removing valves from line. This could be everything from getting a permit on site, getting isolations in place, bolting, gaskets, crane hire, even having the valve transported away. All those costs add up. So if you're able to ascertain that a valve is in good enough condition to require maybe slight work in the line or not have to physically be removed, you can instantly save a large chunk of money.